Hello everyone and welcome back to another video guys. In this Bernard Choice. In this video I'm going to show you how to secure your Facebook account if you suspect that your account has been hacked. So I'm going to take you a step-by-step guide on how you can secure back your Facebook account. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So guys, first things first, you need to go ahead and open the browser that you normally use. So in my case I'll use Chrome browser, but you can use any browser of your choice. Now here in the search bar, after logging into your browser, just search on compromised Facebook account, or you can just type in compromised FB account, as you can see, and then make sure you search on it. So guys, when you land here, you'll find two links. So the best link is the second one that says recover your account if you think. Tap on that link. So here under try guided help, you need to tap on get started. Just tap on get started. And then now you land here. If you think your account was hacked, we can help you recover it. So select the very first option that says someone else gained access to my account. After doing that guys, now go at the top on the search bar, tap on the search bar at the top. So now make sure you type in facebook.com/hacked, facebook.com/hacked, and then you search on it. Now you land to this page. If you're worried about the security of your account, we can help you. So select the second option. Someone else got into my account without my permission. Tap on that, and then tap on the continue button at the bottom to continue. So they tell you let's secure account. So tap on get started. So guys, for your account to be safe, you need to update your password. You need to change your password. So make sure you submit a new strong password, and then tap on the continue button. So you guys need to identify the emails that are linked to your account. So if you don't recognize any, you can tap on any link, any email, and then you remove it from your Facebook account, and then tap on the continue button to continue. As you can see, all done, password changed, and the email in your account are recognized. And then tap on go to news feed. You can use either your browser or your Facebook application. As you can see guys, you have now successfully secured your Facebook account. So that's all it takes to secure a Facebook account if you suspect that your account has been hacked. So that's it for me today. So if you find value in today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell icon for more useful videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.